Hello friends, welcome to UA Infotech channel. So in this session, I would like to explain accordions in Bootstrap. Okay, to create accordions, so let me share my Visual Studio. So create new file. Now I can save the file with accordion.html. Accordion.html. Trying to save this one and write this HTML code. Okay, accordion, and I'm trying to set here BS link CSS bootstrap.min.css file. Min.css. Okay. Now, okay, to create accordions, let me create here one class with container. Okay, I'm set here some break. Okay, I'm taking here on row. Okay, so in that I'm taking here call XL6. Okay, let me create an accordion. So for creating accordions, we use here a unique ID. So I'm taking here accordion. Okay, accordion. So inside of accordion, let me create one card here. Okay, so for the card, we already discussed in this cards, we have a card header. Okay, let me create a card header. So I'm created here card header. Okay, and for creating this accordion, we use this an anchor tag. Okay, so it just act as a button. Okay, here I'm just making it to hash and taking some class. Okay, so I'm taking btn. Okay, button, and so we need to create this collapsible plugins. So we need to add here a JavaScript file. Let me take here on a JS file. For JS, I can take here an a script tag and here an src and just add here JS and bootstrap.min.js file. Okay, I'm just adding your okay button, and now we need to add here a data dash attribute data bs toggle equal to. It just act as a switch whenever user click on this button, just it will be collapse, and again you can be click on this one, it will be closed. Okay, so here in order to create this one, we can write the class is called a collapse. Okay, and now we just add here in href we need to add something. So before that, just something like we can add here in anchor tag So let me write some text inside of this anchor tag. So in this anchor tag, I want to write this, the beautiful nature, the beautiful nature, the, the beautiful nature. Okay, so I'm going to add some text here. Now below this anchor tag, okay, in the card header. Okay, now the card header is completed. Let me run this one on the browser. Right click, open in default browser. See, look at this one. We created here one box type container. So in that, I'm just creating here a link tag. Whenever user click on this okay card, it just be expanded, and again it will be collapsed. Okay, so for this below the card header, okay, so I'm gonna create here one div with okay with different ID. Okay, we can use div. For this div, we can write here an ID. Okay, so I'm gonna add here collapse one. Okay, so this is an ID. So I'm gonna call this ID here. Here. Okay, so whenever user click on this one, at the time this collapsible content is right, this should be expanded. Okay, and for this collapse one, okay, I'm creating here an ID, and we need to add one class is called collapse. Okay, so this class will be accessed through here database toggle. Okay, so this class will be calling in the data dash attribute. Okay, the same class will be provided here, and also I need to write one more class that is show, because it is in active version, so it is always in this show position, so that I'm just adding here show. Okay, so another one, I'm just taking here. Okay, so whenever you can call this one, this will be calling the whole parent item. Okay, so that I'm adding one more data dash attribute, so data bs parent. Okay, so here we have a parent. Okay, that is an accordion. Let me copy this parent. Okay, let me copy this one and we can paste it here. Okay, this is a parent we have, and that too this is an ID, right? We can call jQuery ID selector. We can use this hash. Okay, now so inside of this one, okay, we can create an accord body. Okay, so inside of card body, let me write here some text and just make it to Bootstrap. Okay, so I'm gonna add here. Okay, I'm gonna add some image tag. Okay, let me take one more paragraph. I'm just adding here an image srcimg. Okay, so let me take a butterfly. So here I'm giving here butterfly, and I'm just making here a class. Just enter here in image fluid, image fluid, and also I'm just gonna enter here image thumbnail. Okay, so go to this browser, so reload this page. Okay, so here we go. Okay, when user click on this one, it just be closed. The user click on this one, it should be expanded. Okay, so like this we can create an accordions. Okay, similarly let me make your few more copies, like so here we have created the card, right? The same card I need to create there. Okay, so this is an accordion one. Okay, so we can write accordion pane one. Okay, this should be end here, end of pane one. Again, I need to create one more card. Let me copy this and I can paste it here. The same thing, accordion 3. Okay, and you can paste it here. Now here we have, right, this show, right? Let me remove this one, so we don't need this one. Okay, and collapse also, we can change this one here. We can change the name for this collapse 2. Okay, the same ID we need to give here. Okay, we need to change this one too, and for this one also let me make it to an ID 3. Okay, and let me change here. leaves, fish. So go there, just reload this page. Okay, when I click on this one, see, we have this three accordions here. Okay, so let me remove this show option, and we can write here nature 3, nature 2. Okay, so by default this will be in show position. Okay, when you click on this one, it should be closed, and again you can click on this nature 2, it should be expanded. Okay, again you can click on this one, it should be closed, it should be expanded. Okay, so like this we can create an accordions in Bootstrap, and we can also apply here. Okay, we can also apply, let me make it to call Excel tool. Okay, this is a big accordions, so we can also make it this one as a colorful. Okay, so you can use this one here, busy success. Okay, we can make entire as a success and just make it text white. Okay, text white, and for this header also just make it to we can write here text white, and in order to increase the text also we can write here on fs4. Okay, make it to text white. Even hover on this one, it will get in here. Okay, so we'll get here text white. Let me remove this one. Just reload this page. Okay, when you click on this one, okay, look at this. The same thing we're gonna apply this. The same we can apply for this here also. For anchor tag, let me add here. Okay, so we're gonna apply bg danger. So we're gonna apply here. Here also we can apply here. Okay, so just apply bg primary. Okay, bg primary. Go there, just reload this page. Look at this. I created here an accordions. Okay, like this. Okay, like we can create an accordions in Bootstrap.